today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, is the bottom actually in for Bitcoin? Let's talk about that. I want to pull up some new shocking data, evidence and proof that, you know what? Let's leave it as a surprise. Watch this video until the very end. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. What I have to show you today is certainly something crazy, guys. Let's go straight into it. And I can already tell you 95 to 97% of you watching might disagree in the beginning, but if you watch until the very end, you will probably change your opinion. And yes, I will talk about my multi-million US dollar trade, my 100 Bitcoin trade I am still having open. Sorry for the background noises here. Sometimes cars driving by. I will talk about this trade right now, racking in 150,000 US dollars in a profit, 100 Bitcoin in this specific trade. What am I going to do with it? When am I going to finally close this trade? And of course, what are my price targets? Let's talk about it. I will go straight into the charts right now. And let's start with something you've probably seen before I go into the more surprising data. So first of all, let's look at this. If you are a Bitcoin holder, and honestly, go out and ask traders or anyone, almost everyone is telling you we are going lower. Look at this chart. Do you think we are going lower or significantly lower here if you are looking at the 11-year support and resistance? Do you think we are going lower, or do you think we are actually close to the bottom, hitting the support right here? I mean, this is something, honestly, someone has to finally tell you. Everyone is screaming for 12,000, 10,000 US dollars, while if you just have some doubt and you zoom out, you actually see, hey, in accordance to the last 11 years, we should be here actually very, very close to the bottom right now for Bitcoin. Let me actually show you. Every single time the vertical lines, the vertical orange lines are the Bitcoin halvings. We are hitting the bottom well in advance before that, right? Just here, 2014, 2018, and right now 2022. Every single time we are hitting this line here, and afterwards going towards the upside for good. Now the same thing is happening again, but this is not the only thing I want to talk about. Let me actually go straight into this here. Shout out to Plan B. I know he got roasted. I don't even understand why. I think he's doing a great job. And what you can see here is that in accordance to the 200-week moving average, okay, yeah, we are a little bit below that. But if you are zooming out and putting it on this heat map, you can see basically Bitcoin is perfectly on track, right? Yeah, we had this double top, but once again, as always, Bitcoin going down to test the 200-week moving average. Yes, we are a little bit below. His prediction actually to probably close July above the 200-week moving average once again. So in accordance to that, Bitcoin also looks perfectly on track. And yes, I have to agree, I have to admit that myself, I did not really expect the 17,000 happening. Yes, I want to be honest here. I did not expect the 17,000 happening, but it happened. Now that it happened, I have to say, hey man, honestly, actually Bitcoin is following the previous trajectory. I think it was our bullish heart which didn't want to see that. And yeah, if Bitcoin would close the July above the 200-week moving average, 26,700 would be the target for this month. Actually, not even the target where I would close the trade. Yes, on the way towards the upside, I would take some profits, obviously, on this trade. At this point of time, every $1,000 that this trade is going higher, 100,000 US dollars in profits I'm getting. Every $10,000 Bitcoin is going higher, $1 million US dollars in profits I am getting on this specific trade. And yes, I am keeping it open. And in fact, if Bitcoin is, let me quickly go back. This is my game plan, which I promised you actually earlier to talk about. If Bitcoin is going to, let me actually open this chart, go down to the beautiful 4-hourly candles. Actually, I could do the daily candles. Let me do the daily candles, eliminate the EMA. If Bitcoin is, dear ladies and gentlemen, breaking the 21,500, I'm even gonna double down here on this trade, and I will now put more Bitcoin into it, at least another 50 BTC leveraged in trading volume here on this trade, to ride it all the way to my price target of approximately 24,500. And yes, obviously guys, if you want, let me quickly go back. By the way, let me quickly flip the camera. I am of course barefoot here as always. If you want to be trading as well, I will leave down below in the pinned comment a $10,000 free bonus. If you go down below, you can claim your $10,000 free bonus for free. Click the buyback link, make your own account, and after your initial deposit, you get this bonus credited to your account. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for always sticking with us here. Strong Crypto family. I'm very proud of you, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Crypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.